Welcome back, everybody,
to another episode of Tying Gig Builds. Today, we're gonna make this sick rainbow studio coffee table.
We've been really grinding out on the builds, and we figured, why not go all out with how everything looks?
We upgraded the cameras. We put some lights everywhere.
We've been working so hard on these builds, we figured it'd be very well worth it to upgrade the studio so you guys can see these builds in their best form.
So today we're gonna make this coffee table. Later, probably later videos, we're gonna show us making the studio better. But today we're gonna show the coffee table. Let's run the tape, why don't we?
Run the tape. Builds.
We wanted to make, we always had this idea of like a breadboard coffee table. And finally, we have a use case for it. It's gonna be a nice setup in our studio.
We're gonna build it kind of similar to we made the cutting boards, but this one's gonna have a little more flair to it.
That's right.
Builds.
So we got our crude little sketch of what we want. It's like a little design thing. So we have this crude sketch and we got all the pieces now. So we're gonna see what it looks like. And once we verify it looks good.
Once we're verified, and there's no going back.
I'm looking at it like this.
I'm looking at it like this.
Wow, that looks cool.
Give it a look, Mike.
Look at that.
We got some colors here, some textures.
Builds, baby. We're not done yet, but this is how it's gonna end up looking. And we haven't even put Mahogany's on it yet.
No, the Mahogany's is gonna make it look good. Okay, so we planed the entire thing down and we ripped a clean edge on one side with a hand plane. And so we're just gonna take the other edge, rip it through here so we have two straight edges, then we'll cut off the ends to make sure they're straight, and then after that, we'll get to do the finishing touches. Builds. Yeah, I mean, if she doesn't like investing,
Then don't invest then.
Everything's done. We sanded it down, we rounded off all the corners and edges. It's stop, stop.
Look,
there's an elephant in the
yeah,
room. Stop ignoring it.
Time to do the team rub.
Yeah, we've been neglecting the team rub. We have a big team double rub coming up.
She's been glued up. She's nice and smooth, and you guessed correctly, Mahogany's, baby. Tie and gig builds, baby. It's that easy. But honestly, we really want this thing to help pop our studio. We're gonna be moving forward and working towards better videos, better quality, and better builds.
We're really happy with it. We think it really shows our personalities off, a lot of color. Remember, if you want to follow us for live updates throughout the week, you can hit the Instagram follow button.
We might be doing something crazy on there.
That's right.
Builds, baby.